Beloved, welcome back to the homestead. Well, it happened. We got our first snow and a big problem with the cozy cabin. We have 18 inches of standing water in the foundation that we are pumping out right now. My manservant, Mr. Jiraiya, noticed this when he was down in the crawl space doing the electrical, and well, there was a foot then, and now it's getting deeper. So he brought his handy dandy sump pump, and we are pumping it out, but thank goodness I had the foresight to put in a foundation drain before we backfilled. When we were stripping the forms from the foundation, at the very last moment I decided to put in a foundation drain. We rocked and graveled this whole thing, and we left this stub right here for an outlet. I never thought we would need it, but I thought something in the back of my mind just compelled me to do it. I'm so glad I did. So today, I don't like to excavate in the winter time, but we're gonna make an exception because we've got to get the water out of here. So we're gonna bring this trench down here and daylight this foundation drain and drain this whole, drain out the whole crawl space. What I've done is set up the laser and set the grade rod at the bottom of the footing. That's where the dirt was actually cut. That's what the foundation is sitting on. So this is that grade. Now the laser, you know, just like when you bend over, you're not as tall as you are when you stand upright. That's the grade rod. So this tells us that we're too high here. So we'll use this laser to go along the property line until it daylights, and we can redirect this water out at a lower location. Whenever I have a pipe under the ground that we might want to connect to later, what we do is take an old 2x4, 2x6, and put it down right at the end. That way you can start your digging and go down there and stay right on that board, that timber, without breaking your pipe off. So while I've got the big bucket on, we'll go over there and scrape that gravel away so we can reuse that, we don't contaminate it, and then we'll just trench right through that driveway. Give me a grade. Right where I'm digging, right at the foot. Good? Oh, that's excellent. We didn't have to go as far as I thought we would. I could see quite a bit of grade in here, but it's more than I thought it was.
So take the wheel, find out how long, make sure that you can get it tomorrow.
So the water heater is ordered. I found a 50-gallon called a short boy or a stubby or something. It's 3 foot tall. Will that fit? I hope so.
Yeah, I think it's really close. I think it's 32 under there.
It's been about an hour since we started digging, and already that's the outlet right there. It's a 4-inch corrugated. We'll grab onto that. That's already gone down. We had, goodness, 18 inches in the crawl space. So let's go check and see how that level's doing. While we're checking on that, I'll give you a tour. I got all the lights in. Got that all done yesterday. So that's a big milestone. Of course, all the window trims as well. CVG fir turned out nice. So we got our traditional pine cones up there. These will, actually we're going to lower these. They'll be quite a bit lower. They'll sit right over top of the bar. And I found these really cool flush mounted little rotating spots, which we have those all up and down, as well as the soffits. So we got 3 switches. So this goes to the outside. Aren't those cool? So those turn, and I've directed them on top or right to the soffit there, so it lit that all up last night. It was just as cute as could be. Now here's the pump for this crawl space. I don't know if you can see in there. Oh goodness, that water was so high. That water, well, you can see there, it's currently down there, but it was all the way up there to the top. So a good 18 inches in there. I couldn't even see the pump when we put it in this morning. So now, in about an hour, this will all be drained out, never to flood again. Mr. Jiraiya is getting a count for pipe, how much pipe we'll have to go down there to daylight that out, and problem solved. We started bringing our flooring in here, so we'll get this climatized. We're going to have that down soon, and then the kitchen. Got the kitchen cabinets. Soon as we get the plumbing rough in, we'll start it tomorrow, and we'll get our inspections, get our covers so we can cover everything up, and then we will be off to the races. Hopefully have this done by Christmas. All right, gentlemen, that's about all I have for you today. I'm gonna probably head on down to the hardware store, pick up the stuff we need, get that pipe in the ground, and it'll probably be dark before I get back. So keep us in your prayers. May God bless you and your families, and we'll see you all on the next video.